12 rebounds in game one. Ooh, man.
Come on, man.
Jimmy Butler is undercut, and that fall hurts.
You know what? Amin Thompson got tripped. He obviously didn't do that on purpose, but that is scary and dangerous. And Jimmy Butler landed right on that tailbone.
So Butler, who was an Iron Man in game one with 42 minutes played.
See, watch Amin Thompson trying to get through here, and he kind of.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. Oh, man.
And Butler still hasn't moved.
He's just trying to go get his miss, and Draymond's trying to box him out. That's rough. That is painful. My goodness.
You already saw Steph miss time with a tailbone issue, and